good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Happy Monday. It is Monday. It's a brand new day. However, it is holiday here, so babe is not at work today. We're expecting some guests today. His dad is supposed to come along and visit today, so Tyler is going to see his grandpa today. For you guys who are just joining us, what happened? Papa not giving you any? Huh? What happened? What happened? Tell mama. Papa not giving you any of his cereal? Say hello. Say hi. Blow them kisses. Ma, that's your good morning, you guys. You guys, Tyler's seen his grandpa today, and it should be a pretty bonding excitement, as he haven't seen his grandpa in a minute. He always come to visit. For those of you who are just joining us and haven't watched any of our vlogs with my father-in-law in it, then you guys will be meeting my father-in-law today. Yeah, so I've been up and getting the house fresh, as is the norm. So I did a little freshen up, and I'm actually cooking because they're coming up for lunch. So I'm making lunch. When French is coming over for lunch, you better cook, okay? You better have a lot of food because French eat heavy lunch. So I'm just making some barbecue chicken, some mashed potatoes, and some veggies. Nothing too fancy. So chicken is in the oven and well, it's on its way. So baby's not having any heavy breakfast this morning. He's just having a little cereal because lunch is in like about 2 hours or so. So it doesn't make sense to have a heavy breakfast at this time and then to have a heavy lunch. As I'm speaking to you guys, I'm seeing the rain pouring down outside. So it's not a beautiful day. Why do we always say it's not a beautiful day when it's raining? It still can be a beautiful day when it's raining, no? So it's raining and it's windy. As you can see, the palm trees, wind is behaving really bad outside. It's raining, but you can't really see. But there's some heavy raindrops coming down right now. I was sure that it was gonna rain today because the clouds are really heavy and dark outside. Yes? You wanna say something? You wanna say something? Cutie pie. I'm wondering if I should have the same cereal for breakfast this morning myself and not cook. Hey you.
Hi guys. Happy Monday. Monday is holiday today.
What kind of holiday is it today?
It's the end of the World War II.
Okay, end of World War II holiday today.
Holiday in every
European country.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so I decided to have cereal for breakfast this morning, and if I'm having cereal at any point, this is the kind of cereal that I'm having. It's a whole wheat, oats, and fruits, and you have almond, raisins, grapes, and apple, and cashew and nuts in it. So this is the amount that I'm gonna have for breakfast. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. So that's breakfast this morning, and Tella is here begging. Thank you. Please. There you go. Ready, chicken's ready, and now to the potato. All I'm gonna do to this is I'm gonna add some milk and some butter, smash it and put it in the oven so it can keep hot. guys, cooking is all done on my A game, and I am now going to I'm not gonna get today's vlog ready so you guys can have a vlog up to watch. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today. You guys, a friend of mine and I were talking last night, and he said something and it totally gave me the Jamaican expression for today. What happened?
You want to freeze the TV, to kiss the TV.
Come. It's almost lunchtime. It's almost lunchtime. A friend of mine and I were talking last night, and he totally said something that gave me the Jamaican expression for today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to you guys. So the Jamaican expression for today is everywhere me turn maka juke me. Hey, babe, come to the Jamaican expression. Come. Babe gonna come and see the Jamaican expression for you guys.
Everywhere me come.
Ready? Everywhere me turn maka juke me.
Everywhere me turn maka juke me.
Yes! Okay, it is simply mean. It simply means that everywhere you go or every situation that you're in, something always goes wrong.
Everywhere me turn
Maka juke me.
maka juke.
So everywhere you go, something goes wrong.
What is mac?
Maka.
Maka?
You know what maka is?
No.
Maka is, we call it maka in Jamaica. Is a bush that when you touch it, something on it stick you.
Maka
You know what that
juke
it is?
me?
It
Okay.
means maka. So it have a little thing on it that when you touch it, it stick your finger.
Okay, so everywhere you go.
Everywhere you go, something goes
Maka
wrong.
juke me.
Right. Everywhere me go,
Okay.
maka juke me.
Yeah.
So there you guys have the Jamaican expression today, and babe take on the Jamaican expression. So everywhere me go maka juke me. You get it? Make sure you get it. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. Tyler, stop! Yes, I'm gonna put you on the floor. Absolute success. We had fun chit-chatting. That's what French people do when they're having lunch. They just talk, non-stop talking, and you don't even realize that you're eating until the food is done. That's how dinner and lunch is at all given times. So we're actually going for a little walk by the botanical garden, just to get out a little bit, because they don't really have much time and they want to spend as much time with Tyler as possible. Tyler is really enjoying bonding with his grandfather. The last time he was here, Tyler bawled and he bawled and he bawled. But today when Tyler saw him, he gave him a big smile, and they've been friends. And he's across the road calling me, Mama, Mama, non-stop Mama. You stuck?
Voilà.
Take your time, walk, go, walk. Don't run. Walk. Go, walk, go. You guys, I just found sugar cane. Yes, honey. Let me see where they say this one is from. Asia. It's the black cane. We call this black cane. You hear what I said, babe? We call this black cane. And you see the mint that we have in the morning at Shania is this one. We call it colic mint.
Hi guys. Feel tired. Yeah, having my dad for lunch, and it was a nice moment. You know, when you eat and drink a little bit, then you feel like you want to sleep after. So couldn't sleep because of Tyler.
Oh, Tyler won't allow it. Oh my God, this little boy, he has so much energy, man.
Couldn't sleep.
So much energy. And you know, I fell asleep and Tyler sit right in my head and wake me up.
I don't think I fell asleep.
I feel myself fell asleep. I'm sure about it. But Tyler, you guys, my father-in-law is gone. But it was good having him here because Tyler get to bond with him. Tyler didn't cry this time seeing him at all. Tyler really got to spend a good little time with him, and it was good seeing them together. And babe and I just here tired. We're just in the living room laying down on the couch. We pull out the extra part of the couch, make it a bed, and we're just here. What do you have to say for yourself? That's all you want to say, Dorita mouth? Say hello. Blow them some kisses. Ma. You're giving them lots of kisses? Your kiss is so aggressive. Take that. Big cooking this morning, so you know who's not going into no kitchen today. We're really tired and we're not going to do anything else for the rest of the day, so we're just going to end the vlog here and call it a day for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and don't forget to catch up with the Jamaican expression. You remember what it was?
If you give me 10 minutes, I'll remember. Hold on, no, I'll remember.
You don't want me to remind you? Alright, try and remember. Tick tock, tick tock.
Something about the cactus, no? Something about the Naka Baka.
You almost get it.
Yeah,
Maka. So you remember what the expression was?
It's something like
everyone called Maka juke me.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Everywhere me turn, Maka juke me.
Hey.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, we're going to go ahead and end today's vlog and just rest up for the rest of the day and see if we can get back some energy to give you guys a good vlog tomorrow. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tyler, come and say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Hey, he's playing. He's not even looking at you guys too much. Alright, you guys, we'll catch you guys tomorrow.